Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. It's correct project. It's called game dev. Don't need to do anything I changed. Okay. Terminal is usable. One command to start stuff. I can already look. I have to play musician. Still working on base defense mode. There's a lot of things I should check. Want a button to cycle through characters. Want to spawn each king once. Want to think if I should have breaks where I can spend my money. Okay, stuff is started. I can play once in the browser. Wait for the browser to start. Okay. Still slow today. Finally, it works. Okay. It runs on localhost. I start fresh, so I reset my state. I'm in the middle. What did I have to play? Musician. Okay, then I take musician, and I do square, I guess. So I'm the guy in the middle. If I come close to enemies, that's the size they attack me. The power above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score. Based on how far away from the middle I died. Now I can place nodes. Maybe I try. So randomly placing stuff is my damage. Oh god. I just go with it, I guess. All on square, and I take speed, I guess. Okay, just and okay. Okay, this is now my created music. For some reason I feel weak. Let's do shield gain. $1,000. I might need more speed. multiply. I do one multiply to help me survive. No, okay. Was dangerous. Cannot outrun them forever. Don't like. This could be my death. Wait here. But if I wait here, they respawn, I believe. Okay. This is a difficult position. Okay, the slow might make it easier. God. They did hit by splash damage. I feel somewhat safe. Guess the multiply is safer. No, it's not helpful for the boss. Okay, I should be somewhat. So the last time I was strong enough, but I just played too close. Alright. Okay. Might not hit him anymore with new projectiles. Fine. Okay, survived. Copy last replay. Long musician, give me. Long musician. 8,000. It's 10,000. This means this is done. It means to check. I think they are all activated. Okay, got hard mode kill is missing. And next is increase version. 395 today. And what do I work on today? King defeat, reset him to default. If I have it. Okay, I had the problem problem. I could also say I do this idea first and then I can easier check maybe. I also have one on king on 20. On 40 with bonus HP. More bonus. So let's do something like this. I think a bit. I have my start base defense mode. Oh, I have king spawn waves. I can check. So I can set this to 40 and 60. And somewhere I use it. On random king. I can put in the index here, can't I? Index. Index number. This would mean I don't have the index here. But there is one. I almost forgot. TypeScript for loop index. For each can do it. Can use map, but this is also not. Okay, there is no real solution, so I can just count it. Index is 0. Index plus. This is the same, and I put an index. This gives me, I also need to know which kings I spawned. I don't want to spawn the same one twice. Spawn random king. Spawn position, king enemy. Spawn at position. Can I not return this king so I can modify him if I'm interested? Start king fight, this might be fine. Is it the same king? I think yes. Does it matter? King character? I'm not sure if he likes the king, and now I could say index is 1. King max HP is equals multiply with 10. Or maybe 5. Time will tell. Let's do 10. King HP is king max HP. Oops. What? Max HP. And else if index is 2. want even to spawn 2 kings. Let's change it even a bit more. Index is 0. Else if spawn position, each king needs his own spawn position. Oh, this is interesting. If I do 2 kings, this is no longer possible. So let's start with spawning 1 king and different kings, I guess. Why increase it even more? Let's change it if king, and could also do increase the HP of the kings. Could also spawn all 4 one by one. Maybe this is better. And let's do 4. Okay, if this is the case, I can make a formula out of it. This equals pow. Isn't it pow? Pow. Index. Okay, maybe this is it. But now I spawn. Maybe I start easier and make 5. And maybe I can potentially spawn 2 kings now. So if the first one is not killed before the second one spawns, I have a problem. Okay, let's check lapping kings. So I have to save it. It's a king, I guess. Currently I save. Here, King Celestial Direction, I save in the game mode. This will not work out. And I have to remember what kings I spawned. So this turns into an array. Spawned. Or maybe I put in available. Available kings. This would be it. No. Is it this way? Okay. It's the north, south, and west. Complaints? Why does it do? I cannot initialize here. I'm sorry. Available kings, I call this now. Base defend on king kill. I want to move this to somewhere else. Base defend on king killed. Okay, this is one function and this is here. Get celestial direction, get. Find near non-blocking position. How did I do this? While Q in position. The position. Okay, I just swarm around and find first spawn. So random position is here. And these are I offset where I spawn the king, I remember. This is now dependent if how do I change this? It will not be 4, it will be based on data. Do I use this a lot? Oh. Game mode data. This would be a random number based on how many available kings I have left. And now I have a random value for direction, value for available king index. And I have a random position. The still direction to be game mode data, available kings, random value. There's no random celestial direction. I will paste it. This is it west or east? Plus is east, so this should be west. Plus is south and minus is north. I have the random celestial direction, which I no longer get here. This value no longer exists. I have to save it in the king. The king is just a character. And celestial. This will probably break a bit of things. So now has to be a character. He might care. And this is a king now. Change king ability level as an HP. I can just put a character everywhere here. 13 errors, that isn't too bad. I consider this a character for most of the time. This king is not, this is enemy, let's call it. King is enemy as king. Then you should be happy, and king should have a celestial direction. It will be undefined. Currently, the reset is no longer required. Don't set the value and you will probably not complain about it. Oh, this is just a character I return. The king count doesn't have anything special. He's already fine with it. Default next king. Fair. I don't have a celestial direction here. And it's a character. Enemy return king. King enemy spawn at position. King character, deep copy. Modify character to king. As king character. Now you should be fine with the return. Oh, I see the problem. You should be happy. Listable direction is... Here I said it. Modify a character to king. Go. This is player character. Paint player character UI. Ah, okay, I check if I have a king currently. It's no longer so easy. I have to move this. Ah, this is an else here. Game defense mode. Let's skip character level 0 I parts. If I don't skip this, I break this in. It's true. So now it is go over all bosses, check if there is one which has this paint function, if do it. He does it for the first one. There could be 2 kings. Okay, this is fine for now. Now I spawn the random king. Now I should available kings is only used at the start, which means remote data available kings supplies. Is it index? No, it's not index. Random value. This name is strange. Random index. Random index available kings. Takes length. I get a number. I take it out. I splice it out. I don't care about. And I get a middle position and move it into direction. This should spawn the related king. And a near position. Spawn the king. I scale its HP based on which king it is. It should start with. First one is not, then I increase. And now I should spawn all kings. 80 waves. I think How do I survive this? First of all, I think me a lot. I cannot give me money fast enough. Let's invest. I invested 16,000. Invest 1,000 and everything. 1,000 isn't even that much. 1,000 is 50%. It is now interesting. HP is interesting. 277 to 5,000. For damage. More money, and for XP. XP is also damage in the end. Oops, wrong. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, the goal is to survive multiple kings, basically. The most suited for it is maybe I die, so it's saved once. Because I used cheats. I think a bit. But I guess this could be it. I would now start this mode. Okay. I think I kill them all and I will start again. Don't think I will survive this way. Let's cheat. I give me experience. I could also change this up to okay, now you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is Oops, I should not have done it. Damage and range. I think I go backwards short half damage strategy. Let's first kill stuff. So my goal should be I have to just think. I'm unsure what I should. Maybe I make a terrain bounce. The image. It's short. Oh, I think this combination I do. Stay still, I will not have the time. Split shot. It will help a lot in killing everything. Maybe I take a split shot. It's short. It's not after ML. Okay, I have. Backwards shot. Oh god. It's already killing most of the stuff. Rifles. Also do multipliers. Let's do multiplier. Miss chain. Oh, I didn't want to press this. Shot. I have too many. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's randomly skill here. Let's see how far I can get with this setup. At least it seems to kill everything on screen quite well. By 15. Okay, the goal is to see if every celestial direction spawns, but how can I see this? I don't see the boss HP. So I evoke it. Did I kill him already? I have no idea. I would need to check my money gain, don't I? Money gain this one. King kill. I killed him already. Okay. Is this the other king? No, this was a boss. I killed the other king already? Yes, I did. Wow. But my... Oh god. 60. No, no. Somewhere would be a king. Did he die? Yes, he did. 1 billion. Instant killed. $80. Okay, this king doesn't die instant. reached 100. What does it give for money? So each king spawned. I have no idea which celestial direction it was, but as something spawned. And I'm interested what is even. And here someone doesn't visit his alpha value. It's not too bad. 775. 5 overkill. So one part works, one part doesn't. This was a paint. Is it in here? It is. Skip false, skip true. So this was never reset. Because I don't clean up the boss. I instantly killed him. Wait. Okay, I finally understand. Boss. A boss HP. A boss state is live. Or no, let's do that. I continue. So this should fix the problem. Reload. And I know essentially can take this guy's stuff. Cannot place it back, it doesn't matter. It takes this guy's stuff and starts game defense mode again. Where are you? Here. Oh no, I'm not interested in scaling this weapon. Does a shot 5 million? More or less. Nice, so far, yeah, fine. So what is my goal? Again, to see that I see the king HP. So I should probably not shoot anymore. Okay, he's already dead. I'm pretty sure. Where's the money? Money, yes, king is already killed. But I see my... Did the king give experience? Maybe. Don't know why I am 8 levels over cap. I guess it's this way. Okay, but I killed the second king also. I should pay attention if I have one frame off. Here's the king. He's dead. Is this king survived a bit? Wow, how did it? There's the next king and he... Oh, God, this what would kill me. Oh God. Some 110. If a sword spawns in me, I'm dead. Okay. Perfect, perfect. I reached 534 and this gives 30,000. Money. I believe my changes work. Base. Then spawn all kings. I don't know if the spawn all kings one every 20 waves. Okay, this should be fine. King defeat, reset him to default. Ah, okay. Now this is something I have to check. I have my, okay, if I reload, I don't lose this guy. Out cheats, close king, no close king, reduce boss HP, so I want sniper here. Tamer to the right. Okay. One small verification. Okay, and ball. And I don't have a musician, which is fine. Die once. I am somewhat sure. Let's spend some more money on HP. I think I doubled it. This saves it. Now I can restart. And what do I wanted to check? Things applied. Ball king not ending up far away. Okay, I have different requirements to check. Legendaries need to be returned. So I should have taken the legendaries. This means I did it incorrect. First of all, I saw you out. Boss HP, so I take the legendaries here. Oh, this is the kept, this one I played. Tamer, no, Tamer. little ball. Okay, so they are resetted. Die one more time. Okay, no blessing is here. No legendary is here. I have a ball king. Don't know if I like this map. I want to throw them all away because they're just fakes. Then I die again. This doesn't trigger a save. Just throwing them out. Now I restart. And I guess I try here. Normal sniper take, base defense start. Oh no, I lost him. I thought I still had my powered creation. Okay, I need to recreate him. Cheats. A lot of experience. I don't know if it even matters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So I again do backwards shot, after image, split shot. Terrain rounds is something I wanted. Oh, they might die. Yes. Split shot. More rifles is missing. Synergy, more rifles. Hope they don't all die. After image, more rifles, more rifles. Damage and damage I don't want to take, even though it might be. No, halving it I don't think helps. More backwards shot. Split shot. Chain. Okay. Damage. It's 5. I feel like I still missed some synergy stuff. Maybe I'm mistaken. Don't want to increase it too much. Can I? Okay, this is done, so let's try. I think I have too many. Wave 8, 9. Somehow they take a while. Move a bit off to see if it hits them faster. Maybe. So this should return a legendary. Yes, it did. The sniper got back. Could also try to restart directly, but not sure. Maybe I do 3 kings and then die. Then I will see. Or do I restart? Interesting. This is a bug. This is Tamer King is still connected to pets. This is the last king, if I remember correctly. Oh. Why was it so heavy? I want to die now. 3 legendaries are back. My skill point pack was on 10. It's 10, he has 1, so they didn't skill yet. 200. 200. The order is strange. Doesn't matter. Oh, I do. There's a slight difference in how I display it. 108, and he has a cap. Okay, Blessing West. This is not returned yet. There's a North. So I think it worked like I want to for now. If I restart, it did save it. Which means I checked the Ball King. And he's back, but I didn't check this correctly. Blessings are applied. Check. Legendaries are return. Check. I have Tamer Leash. Not detached. This is a bug. Leash? Leash? Is it a double E? I'm confused. Leash, no, I think it's correct. Not what I wanted to press. Also, maybe I should check, can I take them? Yes, I can. They kill me. Oh, perfect. Why do they kill me? I don't change the faction. But the rest does work. It's fine. If I take you, you don't kill me, do you? No. And you... Let's get you in here, do you? Yes, you just want to kill me. Why does it not happen? Bug tamer pets stay enemies. I have to think about the order now. When I have my is it not king enemy? On game mode defense, I had my put character stuff back into building. But isn't this used by the other one too? Old boss. By taking from the next kings, this is the difference. This is the non-modified. I push over the modified version, I guess. Okay, this explains stuff. Let's see how game-based defense mode did it. It's the enemy which died. The celestial direction, this worked out, also was never a problem, I guess. Give blessing, and this is not the king. So I have old king, let's call it old king. This one next kings, next king. Do these things a character are undefined? Fair. So as long as I have stuff in here, I do this. And I do this to the old king, not here I replace. Okay, this might fix it. This means now I don't take the modified. This would also maybe this was already. Maybe I modified the weapon in. Yes. The damage of this weapon is completely wrong. It's king damage now. They are scaled differently. Interesting. Probably if I do one level, let's see. I would have the correct damage again, yes. Okay, this means my current game state is broken. Let's refresh. I want game state. Throw away my past characters. To spend $100 in everything. Here, this is also fine. Now, what do I want? Close reduced. I want again each. Let's capped. Ah, yes, I kept it. Okay, fair. I didn't do this. Okay, now it's fine. No, this is incorrect. I didn't take. Okay, you are gone. I disable the cheats. What now? Now I need to. Defeat one king in endless mode. Should I? Try to do it. I have to think. So the best way to. I could also make the waves spawn on timers. But I like this. Why? Let's explode. There are a lot of big enemies. I didn't know. Let's see. Where are you? There you are. Split shot. This is strange. You tick, but you should have abilities. Where is the enemy? He is again. I have to check if Builder, Tower Builder are broken. Again, they don't have abilities. Something's broken with Builder. Put it on my list. This is general even check. Tower Builder big. And okay, next I do rifles, I guess. Somewhere here, somewhere here. Where's the last one? Okay, here it is. I mean, upside, this means I take backwards shot, probably. Don't think this is survivable until king. And oh, the wall enemies are. At least they never got lost yet. Because I have a teleport back condition. Last one, where are you? Down here. What is it next? I don't like any of these. Terrain bounce. Let's try terrain bounce. There you are. Still not the last. Somewhere here. Yes, I will die. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, but take a new backwards shot. Down. Please don't. Here you are. Oh God. 114. Ooh. Yes. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, this synergy backwards shot I can take. I'll charge. But somehow I survived. But this is only because this because of the ball enemies which give me time, I guess. Was already. There you was, there you are. Wow. Okay. Split shot, I guess. Oh, the king is here. Oh, this. What was this? Felt like a speed boost. Boss? Oh, what? This feels not white. No, boss 10. Boss 10. I thought it was boss 32. Boss 10 in 32. Boss 10, 32 or 40 seconds. Wait. Boss 10 normally spawns on wave 32. This doesn't sound white. Does it? Did I really play that long, I guess? Yes, Max. Okay, now I understand. So I was behind in waves. Did I manage to check what I wanted to check? No. I have to defeat them. Okay. I create a broken sniper again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. This should be enough. Do I care? After image, backwards shot, split shot, or rifles after image. Synergy split shot. Have all. Can already start. Shot, rifles. Backwards shot 5, after image 5. Okay, I have all. Terrain mounts. Okay. Oh, rifles was not on 5. I want to kill King, and I want to see if my weapons are returned correctly. Most interesting king is Tamer King. Okay, this is a ball king. There is no idea which king. Okay, Builder King. Yeah, returned. I want the Tamer King in best case. For some reason it slows down a lot. There's even some weird graphic effects. Interesting. Do they still shoot? The Tamer King is back. This is what I want to know. I stop shooting. Then I just die. Okay, now King. They no longer kill me. It's good. Now if you eat something, the damage is correct. Okay. I think this is fixed. This should also fix this one. Blessings applied, bulking. I think this is all fine. I commit. Base, defense, fix, legendary return. Wait, this I think is fixed. Or fine. I wanted to be able to cycle through my characters to use them. This is really important. I mean, my main thought was, I guess, that I can position them. I don't think positioning matters. Maybe it's not positioning, but it's setting up some characters. Because the builder cannot be set up. Still have 50 minutes. But I have nearly no time to set them up. This might be the problem. But it might be interesting. So if I do base defense mode, I will do one more button, but I only have 4 keys. I don't have never did a 4th key. I mean, it's easy to add one, but might not work for other control methods. Doesn't matter, does it? Hmm. I am unsure. But one thing is also sure is that I don't know for what I use the base defense mode. I mean, if I use it to level up, it's definitely faster. But because my past characters do not move, they will eventually die. Also, their targeting is not so far that they're good at defending. think a bit. I thought the cycling might be interesting, but currently I don't see it anymore. I mean, if I could give them legendaries? No, they will just die. I give the player some setup time for the enemy's attack, maybe. And I should put... I think my base defense mode is at a place where I could remove it from my test keys, from my test options. Interact with fire starts base defense mode. Should it be available from the start? Maybe not. Don't want. But if I don't make it available from the start, players might never notice it. I make it available from the start, I guess, even though it's a lot harder. Let's think a bit more. Some wait time between waves. Ice core, this is definitely important. I mean, I can currently at least get the legendaries back. I would say it's harder to beat the kings this way. Unless I have a lot of characters. In terms of speed, it might be one of the better options, depending on what kings I have. The ball stuff always delays it quite a lot. Think a bit more. I think it's also harder. Is it? Before I always used... No, I always made me more tanky. Where the bosses? Ah, no. It's just that the ball bosses are so much easier. And they're scaled up. Attack to fire, start space, defense mode. I guess I do this part and I look into high score and might play a bit next time to see. Okay, putting the interact on the fire. This should be map related, which means I have fire animation, not what I want. Is it? With fire animation. Map objects. Let's check the cleanse fountain because interact 1. Just need interact and paint interact. Okay. I probably have to set this on the fire animation and then I'm fine this way. Complaints that these functions don't exist. Let's steal them from fountain. I will have some. I take the entire thing for starter. Someone interacts with it. I mean, I don't know if I need the player. Don't have a fountain. I don't care for the fire. Don't care for the area. I don't care for if the character is cursed. I don't care for legendaries. I just care for starting the game defense mode. And my this is this is of an intact, it's synced with others. Intact cleanse is not what I want. Okay, this is now doable in multiplayer too. Interact, start, base, defense. This shouldn't matter. It should be just this, I guess. Okay, now I need the paint interact. Let's copy the entire thing and throw out what I don't need. I don't have a fountain. Find map key for map object. Key player. Get camera position. Camera position. I get positions. Cleanse fountain. Start. No, this is. To sync. Tagged 1. Touch. Touch to start base defense mode. Press to start base defense mode. And this is it. I have to believe, I guess. But my base defense mode has the condition can only start it in this case, so I should put this also in here. No, not the fountain, I'm in here. Maybe this is easier. Let's see. I start. No, not possible. They act. Fire doesn't? But I set up everything. What is the problem? Did I... For me, this is the I know I cannot interact with past characters, but I have to find out what the problem is. Do I debug or do I... I think he should care about every... Cleanse Fountain doesn't have more. Interact Paint, Interact Paint. Same stuff. And it's map tile object. Also map tile object. Where do I... Tick map correct, tick map chunk objects? Maybe this one? They don't tick. Map objects. Interact with map object. This should be find map key for. Yeah, this one. Find nearest interactable map chunk object. Keys, map chunk objects. Object interactable. Okay. Where do I set this value? So somewhere I said it's not interactable, I would guess. Is this a dot? What? True. Place. Okay, somewhere I create the fire and I say it's not interactable. But where do I do it? Where do I create the fire? Do I have some fire stuff here? Blocking. this is not it. This is a tile. Wait. Is the fire a tile? And not a map object? Did I miss deleting this stuff here? Load image, draw image, sprite, no. But it could be that it's actually a tile. Wait. The fire is, wait, it's two-part. Should be a fire behind it. So it might be when I set up the spawn chunk. Nothing in here is map generation. No, it missing chunks, create new chunk. Chunk tiles. It's spawn chunk. If a map object, fire animation. Interactable is true. Now I can interact with it. Yes, I can. Okay. Oh god, I have my super. But I can start it. Okay. And I can remove it from the key, I guess. From my test not string settings menu. You are gone. This means I should have one error. Yes, perfect. And also delete start. And I kill one, it's no longer available. Oh god. It could be replaced which break, because I might now interact with the fire as closest interactable. Also, the interactable shouldn't need to be. That doesn't matter. Split shot is probably. I feel like I hit him and it doesn't register. Okay, maybe this is better for a group of multiple people, but who knows? Okay. I think a bit. I still have 12 minutes or so at least. The defense mode is in. I don't think it's the best mode, but it's now a different option at least. With Firepit to start defense mode. I have, okay, high scores and check tower builder, big enemies, I forgot. Let's check this one. Tower builder, let's go to the left, doesn't matter where. Does attached matter? Let's do both cases, I guess. Tower builder, stationary. Shouldn't matter. Okay, now we move. I have big enemies. Should be fine, so I'm interested. Place your towers. This works. Take damage, okay. Now to this direction. They also work, they attack. Okay, now I do base defense mode. I have to hope that I have. Should have. Okay, they have nothing is on them. It's interesting. It's only in base defense mode. What is the difference? I do not understand. At least the boss version works. Seemed to work. Did I have any errors? No. I think a bit. Something is off. Maybe I check. I debug when it's running. No, I didn't want to start this. Do this. Export and export is easiest. It's just a map object I have to wait for and look into, I guess. Do I have? Yes, there are some. Can stop game state objects. No. Ability objects. 13. Fire tower. I have one tower. Here are 3 towers. Aren't these shoots? So I have 2 towers in here. This is already strange. Ability fire circle. Ability fire circle. Can I zoom out? Oh no, this is big enemies. So I should have 3 towers, shouldn't I? Because I have 1 builder. Tower, I see 2. Owner ID 573. Let's check position. 400 right, a bit up. Yes, seems fitting. I think this is 0, position. Somewhere here 0, on the left a bit up. This matches what I see. Oh, here's the third tower. I was blind. Single target. And eyes are none. Radius, none. Does this have frequency? None. Not a number, not a number. Okay. I have none values. This explains it. But why? This means my place a tower ability is probably broken. I could debug it. Those other ability tower, cast tower. If this is a function. Let's see if this is casted. Ability owner is big enemy ID. Yes, this is matching. Over it. Have to delete a tower, which is fine. This is next ability key, next ability. Fire circle. Passive. Oh. Till here everything seems fine. And ability index. Also fine. New tower. Puts the ability in. I jump over this for one case. Check duration, ID. Don't see any none yet. Subtype, faction. It's boss tower. No, it's not a boss tower. Respawn position or boss clone enemy. Do I need to add one here? I don't have a level. Yes, I need it, I guess. Okay, I'm in ability tower, in cast tower. Wonder if this is a good... I use ability tower. Cast from the top, cast tower. And here I check for these. And if they don't, I don't have a level. And when they don't have a level, I have a problem. But what options are left? Else, I don't want to care for them. If enemy level, what happened here? Ability owner level. And level. Oh, I can in this case do question mark. Guess I will just use this, don't I? And I don't see why I need to do the casting. Oops. If level exists, I set it to level. And why do I need to cast it first? I'm a bit confused. I don't know any case where this is important. And I don't know why these behave differently. Boss tower. Boss tower is just a different trigger, I guess. Yes, it's either a boss tower or infection enemy. Infection enemy should know. I think this is better this way. Let's check. Point is removed. They should be gone. I still have my. So let's see. Actually, don't need. Place your tower. Place your tower. Zero damage, 1 damage. Damage. Okay, so far. This one is working. Left one should also be working. Wouldn't be any difference. But I think I should wait for 30 seconds to just see that they despawn. Okay, they despawn. Perfect, this is what I wanted to know. And if you place more than 3 despawns the one before. Okay. Now it's a base defense mode I'm interested in. Probably should also have checked bosses don't behave differently. Clones was one. Just believe, I guess. Okay. Using abilities now. They do damage. I think the bullet war didn't. Okay, this is fixed. I believe it's fixed. Bug fix. Big enemy with tower in way base defense. Okay. My time comes to close, so high score would be next. This will be another high score board again, I guess. I have my high scores here. There's enough space for another one, I guess. But I think I should come to an end slowly, so I should run my tests. Maybe one will fail because of the new interact, but most don't press it, so let's run my test. I should believe most work. This is the most likely one to fail because he pressed a lot of F. It seems it did not happen. seems to, I would assume everything will work. No test will fail. Okay, and this, no, my use vision one, this is from today, so this will be new. And new firmware. Okay, everything worked, so this is perfect. Means this is, don't need to make an extra commit for it. So I push, it gets deployed. And I would assume I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.